Hey everyone, welcome back to Battery Hacker, your go-to channel for everything battery related. Today we're diving into the CTEK 4.3 12-volt fully automatic battery charger. I'll be covering its key specifications, features, pros and cons, and sharing my personal experience with it. So if you're thinking about buying this charger or want a complete rundown on what it offers, stay with me till the end. And please, if you find this video helpful, hit that like button. It truly motivates me to keep creating these in-depth reviews for you. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. Making these videos takes a lot of time and effort, and your support really means a lot. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. Key specification, voltage, 12 volt, battery capacity, 1.2 to 160 ampere hour. Charging stages, 8-step charging process. Battery types supported. Lead acid, AGM, gel, and Life PO4. Safety features. Spark-free operation. Reverse polarity protection. Test programs. Battery condition. Starter power. Alternator performance. Maintenance mode. Float, pulse maintenance. Comprehensive charging and testing. The CTEK 4.3 charge isn't just a charger, it's a comprehensive battery care system. It employs an 8-step charging process, which ensures your battery is charged efficiently and safely. This process includes desulfation, soft start, bulk charge, absorption, analysis, reconditioning, float, and pulse maintenance. This detailed approach maximizes battery performance and extends its life, making it an ideal choice for both regular use and long-term storage. Safety first. One of the standout features of the charge is its emphasis on safety. The charger offers spark-free operation and reverse polarity protection, ensuring that you won't damage your battery or vehicle electronics even if you accidentally connect it incorrectly. Additionally, the clean voltage and current delivery prevent surges and spikes, which can be detrimental to sensitive vehicle electronics. Easy to use. User-friendliness is at the core of the CTEK 4.3 charger's design. It follows a simple plug-and-play operation. Select the program and mode, and let the charger handle the rest. The intuitive interface with clear LED indicators guides you through the process, making it accessible even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. Unique testing capabilities. What sets the CTEK 4.3 charge apart from other chargers is its testing functionality. It includes 3 unique test programs that assess the condition of your battery and alternator. These tests evaluate the battery's ability to hold a charge, the starter motor's performance, and the alternator's efficiency in charging the battery. This diagnostic feature is invaluable for preemptive maintenance, helping you identify potential issues before they lead to a breakdown. Pros and cons. Pros, complete battery care. Safety features, user-friendly, diagnostic tests. Cons, price, higher than basic chargers. Size, slightly larger than some compact models. Personal experience. Using the CTEK 4.3 test and charge has been a game changer in maintaining my car battery. The plug-and-play operation means I don't have to worry about the technicalities of battery charging, and the safety features give me peace of mind. The testing functions have also helped me keep track of my battery and alternator's health, preventing potential issues before they arise. Overall, the CTEK 4.3 charge is an excellent investment for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's battery. Its comprehensive charging process, safety features, and unique testing capabilities make it a standout choice. If you want to buy or know about the charger, you can click on the link given below in the description.